how to get a refund from Nintendo eShop after purchase. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, get into your nintendo.com, and then from there make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, if you simply tap on the menu bar right here, you will actually be able to get into the support option. Simply tap on support, and then from there, here you can actually see the option of accounts and purchases. Tap on that one, and then from there, I'm pretty sure there will be requirement of logging your account if you are not logged in yet, or else you can actually get the option of refund support. So what you're going to do is simply select that option, and then from there you can initiate a live chat or call, and then request an exception refund for accidental or unwanted purchases. So that's exactly what you need to do. Simply get into that help support. I'm pretty sure that after you have requested the refund, you will be getting your refund if you are eligible, and within 1 or 2 business days, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to get that refund back to you.